Classification of sources. Sources are of two types. So classification of sources are of two types. So they are independent and dependent sources, and ideal sources, and practical sources. So independent and dependent sources. So independent sources. So elements in which the voltage is completely independent of the current, or the current is completely independent of the voltage, are called as independent sources. So these are the different independent sources. Voltage source, so this is a battery, so this is AC voltage source, and current. So these are all not at all depending on any voltage or any current. So this is a DC voltage source, and this is a battery, this is AC voltage source, current source. So elements in which the voltage is completely independent of the current, or the current is completely independent of the voltage, are called as independent sources. They are not at all depending on any voltage or current, so they have their own value. So similarly, dependent sources are so elements in which the voltage is completely dependent of the current or voltage, or the current is completely dependent of the voltage or current, are called as dependent sources. So here voltage is depending on the other voltage or current, and current is depending on the voltage or current. So elements in which the voltage is completely dependent of the current or voltage, or the current is completely dependent of the voltage or current, are called as dependent sources. So independent sources means they are not at all depending on any voltage or current, whereas dependent sources means they are depending on the voltage or current. So again, dependent sources are of four types: voltage controlled voltage source, current controlled voltage source, current controlled current source, and a voltage controlled current source. So if you see, so this is the way of representing the dependent sources. So here it is in the form of a diamond shape. So inside there is a plus and minus, plus and minus. So here inside there is arrow. So diamond shape. So dependent sources are indicated with the diamond shape, and if inside there is plus and minus means there are voltage sources of, and inside if there is arrow, they are said to be current sources. So here this voltage source, this is a voltage source. Depending on the voltage, K is a constant and Vs is voltage. So it is a voltage controlled voltage source, voltage dependent voltage source. So similarly, if you see the second one, inside there is plus or minus. So it is a voltage source, but depending on the current, P is a constant and Ix is a current. So current controlled voltage source, or current dependent voltage source. So and third one is a inside there is arrow. That's why it is a current source. But depending on the current, so K is a constant and Ix is a current. So current dependent current source, or current controlled current source. So if you see the fourth one, so inside there is arrow, so that's why it is a current source, and depending on the voltage Vx. So this value of the current source is GVx, so where G is constant and Vx is voltage. So voltage controlled current source, or voltage dependent current source. So here first one is a voltage source whose value is KVS, and second one is a voltage source whose value is PIX. Third one is a current source whose value is KIX, and fourth one is a current source whose value is GVX. So this is about independent and dependent sources. So independent and dependent sources, and second category is ideal sources and practical sources. So ideal sources and practical sources. So ideal sources and practical sources. So here these two. So this is a voltage source and this is a current source. Inside the circle, there is plus minus, it is a voltage source, and inside the circle there is arrow, it is a current source. So these are ideal sources, and these are practical sources. So RS is in series with the voltage source. So if RS resistor is in series with the ideal voltage source, then that combination is said to be practical voltage source. If resistor is in parallel with the current source, ideal current source, then this combination is said to be practical current source. So these are the ideal voltage source and ideal current source, and these are the ideal practical voltage source and practical current source. So RS is in series with the ideal voltage source becomes the practical voltage source when resistor is connected in parallel with the current source. So that is said to be practical current source. So we can convert this practical voltage source to ideal voltage source when RS becomes 0. So in here, in practical voltage source, when RS value, this resistor value becomes 0, it becomes a ideal voltage source. So similarly, practical current source, when RS becomes infinity, so this resistance which is connected in parallel with the current source becomes infinity. So at that time, this practical current source becomes ideal current source. So here equivalent circuits of ideal sources. So ideal sources. So these are ideal voltage source and ideal current source. So we have to understand the equivalent circuits of ideal sources. So here, when resistor is connected in parallel with the ideal voltage source, that is equivalent to ideal voltage source itself. So similarly, when a resistor is connected in series with the ideal current source, so that is equivalent to current source, ideal current source itself. So similarly, when two ideal voltage sources are connected in parallel, so it is equivalent to a ideal voltage source whose value is V equal to V1 equal to V2, because if you apply KVL for this loop, minus V1 plus V2 equal to 0, V1 equal to V2. So that is possible when two ideal voltage sources are connected in parallel. That is possible only when their magnitudes are equal. So otherwise there is a violation of KVL, so which leads to instability of the system. So similarly, when two ideal current sources are connected in series, so that can be replaced with one ideal current source whose value is equals to I equal to I1 equal to I2. So if you apply KVCL at this point, minus I2 plus I1 equal to 0, I1 equal to I2. So when two ideal current sources are connected in series, so that is equivalent to an ideal current source whose value equal to I equal to I1 equal to I2. So otherwise there is a violation in the KCL. So their magnitude should be the same. So I equal to I1 equal to I2. Two ideal current sources are connected in series only when the magnitudes are equal. Otherwise, the violation of KCL, which leads to instability in the system. So we can connect two ideal current sources in a series only when their magnitudes are equal. Otherwise, there is a violation in the KCL, which leads to instability in the system. So similarly, two ideal voltage sources are connected in parallel only when their magnitudes are equal. So otherwise the violation of KVL, which leads to instability in the system. So we can connect two ideal voltage sources in parallel only when their magnitudes are equal. So otherwise the violation of KVL, which leads to instability in the system. And similarly, if we connect two ideal voltage sources in series, and the voltage here, so between these two nodes, let's suppose that value is V, then the relation between V1 and V2 is V equal to V1 plus V2. So we can replace two ideal voltage sources connected in series with one ideal voltage source whose value is sum of the ideal voltage sources values. So that is V equal to V1 plus V2. So we can replace two ideal voltage sources with one ideal voltage source whose value is V1 plus V2. So similarly, when two ideal current sources are connected in parallel, so we can replace these two ideal current sources with one ideal current source whose value is sum of these two ideal current sources, I equal to I1 plus I2. So we can replace two ideal current sources with one ideal current source whose value is I1 plus I2. So this is about ideal sources and practical sources. So and this is about the classification of sources, that is independent sources and dependent sources, and ideal sources and practical sources.